Struggling with prop firms? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the break and retest strategy for USD JPY. Sorry, I thought I'll start with a different currency pair, but before I get into this, guys, let me just show you something new. I have passed phase 1. Obviously show you here we have successfully passed phase 1 of today's date, 22nd of May. And if I just show you, obviously you can see here we was up 10.7. Obviously, you know, I like to trade on my like I mentioned in my previous videos, on my smaller accounts. This is obviously on the 10k account, because I just like to stack these 10k accounts up alongside with my other big accounts. If I just show you, obviously you can see both trades I passed it within 2 days. Phase 11 trades took me on day 1 457 I was secured, and on day today completed the rest of the 353. Win percentage 54%, average win 12, and average loss 92. If I just show you, obviously both days were profitable. If I just show you here, my first trade, break this down. I will be going over the my entry that I took to pass this today's. I was only looking for a 1 to 2 because I took a sell here on 2% risk and we secured what we needed. Obviously I'll be going over this as well. I don't think I've ever done a breakdown of USD JPY, the break and retest strategy. And also, guys, if I just show you another 10k funded account, which I've already secured 4% across all my prop firm accounts and personal account. So this is just to show the guys I don't take this obviously 100% win rate on my funded account, because I only take 0.5% risk and obviously A+ setups only. So I only took 2 trades and we secured 4%. So just this is just to show, guys, obviously this, the sign here, like this is the funded account. I don't just pass phase 1s and phase 2s and just make videos about, no, I get my payouts too. So this is that. So if I just break this down for today's phase 1, obviously phase 1 is out of the way, so I'm just starting another phase 1 for today. I don't want to waste the whole day. Secured first trade 700. I lost the next 2 trades at 1% each, and then I ended it early. I didn't like the setup for it, and then obviously I got a better setup here, but then I didn't like the trade. I ended the trade at 0.5%. I was risky 1%, and then I took another trade, secured about 1 to 2, no, just a little under 1 to 2, and then the next 2 trades lost 1%, a little over 1%, and then 0.5% again. And then today we just secured the 2 trades. Obviously when I lost the last trade, or about 1.9, call it about 2% when lost the year in total, I called it a day, and because I knew that the next day will always provide new opportunities. So if I go into the reason for the entry for today that secured us the phase 1 for today, the market has been bullish for a long time, and as you all know, I only trade GJ. Now obviously the market, look at this beautiful bullish trend here. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, obviously we've been going bullish since May 3rd, so almost a month now. If I bring it to this time frame, the 1 hour, now if you look at this, check this out, guys. This is from experience. Like, we see this huge bullish move to the top, so normally you think, okay, price is going to continue pushing up. Yes, but as soon as I saw this wick rejection here, I was like, okay, this is what I'm going to work off. I don't have any other wicks to work off. And price, London open, price is opening from this level here, this 8 a.m. here in UK time. So I had nothing to work off except for this huge bullish candle. So I thought, right, I'm going to sit on my hands and wait for opportunity. Now look at this, guys. Price created a wick. I thought, right, okay, there's a support. I'm gonna work off this wick alone. I've got nothing else to work off, this wick alone. So let's go back in playback, do a playback, do a playback, and what you see here is, I was like, okay, this is support. So now to me, this is like, this is support. So this was the breakout. Price comes down. Now in normal, obviously you take a buy, right? In this case, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the kind of price action. It'll be better for it to take a it'll be better to take a sell, because then you've got the whole range to fill here. Maybe price will want to come back down here. So now I said, okay, I'm gonna sit and wait. Look at this. I get the breakthrough. Price comes up, gives me the retest. I'm only looking for a 1 to 2. I'm risking about 2%, I believe, and I was only looking for a 1 to 2. And secured it nice. If I believe, sorry, I was only looking for a 1 to 1.7, it was something like that, because I was looking for 3.5%, and I was risking 2%. By the way guys, I was looking at statistics earlier. Check this out guys, for every 10,000 people that buy a prop firm challenge, 7 will ever touch profit split. Well, I guess I'm one of the 7 then. You know, obviously I've got other payouts as well, but it's good to know. But anyways guys, oh by the way guys, if you want to become part of that 7, I don't know the exact figures, you can join you know, my Discord group, obviously, where we always posting wins and losses, and if you want to become a, you know, get one-on-one mentorship from myself, I've only got 2 spaces left. I'm only looking for max 10 students. I've only got 2 spaces left. This is obviously where we take live trades together, we speak on psychology, we do obviously chart breakdown, you know, I mean obviously ask me anything. Even we've got about 68 members now, so the channel is growing super fast. I think I've opened this channel only for weeks, so something like that, 2.5 weeks, and we're already up to 68 members. And one of my students, you know, in the group is already waiting on the 10% payout this week. So obviously I posted here as well the 4% gain across all my account. Only 2 trades and they were both winners, so it's all good, it's all good. Obviously posted today's, you know, obviously I'm always getting good. This is one of my students. He also got past phase 1 and past phase 2, and now he's waiting on a 10% payout. So yeah, the link will be in the description if you want to join the group. You're more than welcome. Hit me up if you want that you know, chance to get mentored by me personally, 1-to-1. And if I go back to, let's start this now guys. Okay, so first of all, obviously on what I like to do first guys is draw my zone. You know, your zones, sorry, your entries are only good as your zones. If you got bad zones, drawn bad zones, you're gonna have poor entries. So first of all, obviously I've marked already these zones here. Then I like to drop to a smaller time frame. And if we start from here, okay, so obviously if price was given you know, this rejection here, and then we get the breakout, we don't really get good enough entry. That's why there was no entry taken. And obviously if we get resistance here, push to the upside, we get rejection here. Let me delete this one because it's not the best touch. Actually just one, I think that's fine. Draw that fit perfectly as well. Okay, that's perfect. So next I don't know why I've colored this orange, because this is also a winner. I've just quickly drawn this, you know, super fast. I'm not refine this, but we are going to refine this as we go along. So that's already 3 winners, guys. I want to free. By the way, guys, I'm a strong believer of having a fixed stop loss and a fixed TP. If you see here, 25 pips stop loss. I've not even backtested USD JPY. Obviously, we're getting already a few winners, but we'll see what opportunities. Obviously, only about, this is only maybe adds up to maybe 15 trades or 20 trades. I don't know, counted it, so that doesn't show that, you know, this is a good reason to trade USD JPY. So if I just show you guys, okay, so we're on 3 winners, and then we get each opportunity to sell. We get a breakthrough, price obviously comes back up, you know, we get wicked out, we get taken out. Another opportunity presents itself, we get a breakout here, but then it just, you know, there's no rejection. We get another opportunity here, price breaks out, but this time we get a chance here, we get a rejection. Obviously on the small time frames you get a better entry. 1 to 3 secured, we get a huge, maybe this would have been a 1 to 6, but you know, we only want a piece of the cake, not the full cake. Another chance would have been price is tanking, I take a, also be a loss. Why? Because breakout here, but price mixes out. You know, the upside, price break here, we get a sell. So this is a continuation to the downside, we secure 9% here. Another thing I want to go into as well, guys, which I'm not doing for a while, if I go in other time frame, let's look at candlestick patterns as well. And we'll go through it like that as well. So look at this rejection here, wick created here. You know, volume dropping of the buyers, we get a bearish candle starting, we get a doji pattern here, and then price just falls from there. Here guys, we get a strong bearish, I believe it's called a hammer candle or a long wick, well I know it's a long wick rejection, but a shooting star. I think shooting star is a bullish one when you go you know, the tails at the bottom. This is a strong bearish rejection candle. We get the breakout here. Look at this, guys, look at this beauty here, super strong bullish candle here, shooting star, very strong, and I'll tell you why I mean very strong. If I put this on playback, plays here, okay, it tells the strength of the candles, 100, see this guys, 100% strength candle. This one here bullish, I would definitely take the entry after that one. Oh, I thought it was on the 5-minute time frame, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let me just get rid of this playback here, second. Oh, by the way guys, this is marked in green. Why? Because this is a live breakout that's currently happening right now. So maybe you want to take an entry, but you know, that's totally up to you guys. Don't worry, it's crazy. Just because I'm saying that potential buy is happening doesn't mean it will happen, because I've not back tested this. Look, potential buy could, you know, breakout here, but then it just came back down to tanking. So don't take that buy, that's just a potential, and that's why I colored it in green, because the trade is not played out. Another shooting bearish candle here, rejection. Actually this entry would have been better around here. Price continues to fall, and then obviously that was the 100% bullish candle that we got there. Right, okay, then we've got, okay, look at this, guys. I'm not going to take this trade because I don't trade USD. I'm not back tested as well, so I don't have the data. We get the breakout here, price comes, look at this huge engulfing bullish candle. It's a very strong bullish, it's a 98% candle, strength candle as well. So you know, and obviously bullish trend as well. Well, yeah, bullish trend happening here. We do have a breakout. So I mean, but I'm not going to trade that. It's not my currency value. I only trade one trading instrument, GJ. Obviously, if I just show you right now, even with GJ, guys, look at this, guys. What this is the power of back test. Is why 113 drawing. All these are GJ pairs, a different one. 40 drawing. Some do a lot of back testing on GJ. 526 drawing. 267 drawings next to GJ. 417 drawings. The next GJ load up. It's going to load a bit slow because I know which one this is, but the most amount of drawing. 2046 drawing. Back testing chart. I'm a strong believer in back testing, in having data. You know, you're only as good as your data, I believe. You know, the more data you have, the stronger the edge. 432 drawing. And if I just go to current chart, obviously I believe another one, 546 drawings. Obviously this is another one. This is a back tested data, guys. So my biggest losing streak was 5, my biggest winning streak was 11. My best you know, stop loss to have is 9 pips. My TP 1 to 4, that's the best one, because like that I don't leave too much money on the table, and I don't leave the least money amount on the table as well. 287 trades, 106 losses. 5 losses I just wrote because half came from CPI news, so I removed those because I don't trade after news. Red folder news I don't trade. 189 win, and in total we've been about 600 minus the losses, 650%. We've got win percentage of about 67%. With the 1 to 4 is to reward. That is my edge. Okay, so coming back to USD JPY. Now obviously this video is a bit different, guys. Normally I normally just get straight into these, but I'm just showing what's, you know, the capability, obviously the potential, if you have the data. Obviously I've got more wins here. This might look very appealing, but that's not always the case. By the way, we have the breakout there, the entry here. Now my strategy is a bit different from this. I do trade the break and retest strategy. Obviously my YouTube channel, obviously when you follow my videos, I mostly put emphasis on break and retest strategy. It's the most simple strategy, the easiest strategy to understand, I believe, especially for beginners, not with this ICT and smart money concept. I'm not saying those strategies don't work. I'm just saying that, you know, whether you have simple over complicated, you know, especially if you're a beginner, I pick simple, guys. So I hope you found value from this video. If you want to message me on Discord, there'll be a link description for mentorship. Only 2 spaces left, and after that I will not be taking on any space. Obviously unless if a student, you know, decides go on journey, that's totally understandable, and I will respect that. But other than that, so far only 2 spaces are left. Right now no one is leaving. So yeah, hit me up, send me a message. And if you want to skip light years of doing your own research or chasing the wrong courses and blah blah blah, you know, I'm someone who strategy is working beautifully for, passing multiple prop firm payouts. Hit me up. And obviously I am not doing this for the money, guys. I just want to, you know, throw that out there. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm only taking on 10 students. If I was doing it for the money, I'll be saying yes, everyone join. I want 100 students, I want 1,000 students, I want to build that tight small community, you know, and I want to keep it super simple, super small, and that is all I am for. I hope you find value, and yeah, hit that like and subscribe, guys, and the link will be in the description. Once again, take care, and I am out.